Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to move tasks to another project in Asana. Whether you're delegating work to a different team, shifting responsibilities as your Shopify store grows, or simply reorganizing your current setup, understanding how to move tasks around efficiently is essential. This is especially helpful when tasks evolve or change ownership over time. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the particular task you'd like to move. Simply locate the task in your project list or through a search, which is useful if you're managing a lot of tasks across multiple projects. Once you find it, click on the task to open its details. This will allow you to see all the specific information related to the task, such as deadlines, assigned members, and any notes or attachments that may have been added, ensuring nothing gets lost during the move. With the task details now visible, your next step is to look for the project section, usually located on the right at the bottom side of the details pane, depending on your Asana layout settings. This section displays the current project to which the task belongs and gives you a clear view of where the task currently lives in your workflow. What you want to do here is click on the Add to Projects. This feature allows you to associate a single task with multiple projects, giving you a flexible way to organize your work. This is great if, for example, a task applies to both a marketing campaign and a product launch. Upon selecting Add to Projects, a text field will appear, prompting you to type in the name of the project you'd like to move the task to. As you start typing, Asana typically offers suggestions based on your workspace's existing projects, making it even easier to find the right one. Choose the correct project from the drop-down list that appears. Now comes the crucial part. By default, adding a project name will copy the task to the new project, leaving it in the original project as well. This behavior is helpful when you want visibility across teams, but if your goal is to move the task entirely, you'll need to take an additional step. Head back to the project section, where you see all the associated projects listed. Here, you must remove the original project's name from this list. To do this, hover over the project name and look for a small X or remove option next to it. By clicking that, you effectively remove the task's association with the original project, leaving it solely in the new one. This ensures the task is fully transferred and avoids confusion about ownership or responsibility. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully moved your task to a different project in Asana. This simple process can save you a lot of time and help keep your projects organized, minimizing confusion and maximizing productivity, especially when managing multiple Shopify-related workflows. Remember, if you ever want to track a task in multiple projects simultaneously, you can always add more projects without removing any. This is useful for tasks that impact multiple areas of your business, ensuring you're always in the loop. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.